Why time is very important? Time is one of the most important things in life. Time is like a river that always moves forward. It never stops and it never comes back. Once a moment is gone, it is gone forever. That is why we must use our time wisely. Time is more valuable than money. We can lose money and earn it again, but lost time can never return. If we waste time, we lose chances to learn, to grow, and to enjoy life. Every second is a small gift. Many people do not understand this until they have already lost a lot of time. Our whole life is made of time. From the moment we are born until we die, we are living in time. A child has time to grow and learn. A young person has time to study, work, and dream. An old person has time to remember and enjoy the life they lived. But no matter how old we are, time is always moving. People who respect time are usually successful. They plan their days. They do not waste hours doing nothing. They work hard when it is time to work and they rest when it is time to rest. They understand that a minute wasted is a chance lost. Good use of time brings happiness and success. Time also teaches us many lessons. It shows us that everything changes. Children become adults. Flowers bloom and then wither. Seasons come and go. Time teaches us patience. Sometimes we have to wait for good things, and that is okay. Time helps us heal when we are sad. Time also makes memories sweeter. We should be thankful for every moment we get. Spending time with family, learning new things, helping others. These are beautiful ways to use time. Watching too much TV or playing too many video games can waste our time. It is okay to relax, but we must not forget our real dreams and goals. Many great people in history talked about the value of time. They all said in different words that time waits for no one. If we have a dream, we must start working on it today, not tomorrow. Tomorrow may never come. The best time to do something good is now. Managing time is a skill. It means setting a plan for the day. It means doing the most important tasks first. It means not getting distracted. If we learn to manage our time well, we can do amazing things. We can study better, work better, and live better. When we value time, we also value life. Life is short, even if we live many years. Every day is special. Every day is a new chance to be better, to love more, and to enjoy the little things. Time is not something we should fear. It is something we should love and respect. In the end, the way we use our time decides the kind of life we have. A happy life, a successful life, a life full of love and learning, all these come from good use of time. So, let's not waste it. Let's use every moment wisely. Remember, time is life.